One of the famous Indian medical research institute, Bharat Biotech, is launching COVID-19 vaccine by August 15th. This news has been spread over the social media, both in Facebook and Twitter, and even on WhatsApp for last 1 week. Let's do a fact check on this, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the notification button and stay connected. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) on July 2nd had announced that it wanted to launch the vaccine for public health use latest by August 15th. The ICMR had set the ambitious launch date in partnership with Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech. Bharat Biotech is a maker of world's cheapest hepatitis vaccine. As the date of apparent launch of the vaccine approaches, WhatsApp forwards social media posts claim that it will be available in the market from 15th August. A letter from ICMR about fast tracking the clinical trials of the vaccine is also doing the rounds. So here are some forwards from Twitter and Facebook about the vaccine details which has been developed by Bharat Biotech. The claim was shared on Twitter and Facebook. So the claim was like that: Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine will be available in the market from 15th of August. And this is according to the letter from ICMR about the fast tracking clinical trials of the vaccine. After doing a fact check, we found that the claim is false. The message is real. However, there have been clarifications about the letter. The clarification says that 15th August is not actually a deadline for the launch of the vaccine. On July 2nd, the Apex Medical Research Body's Director General Balram Bhargava wrote to a dozen of institutions involved in trial to fast-track all approvals. The Director General Balram Bhargava's letter stated that the final outcome will depend on the cooperation of all clinical trial sites involved in the project. The letter revealed there is a plan to launch India's COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, developed in collaboration with the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech Limited by August 15th. However, he also mentioned that the final outcome will depend on the cooperation of all clinical trial sites involved in this project. The vaccine is derived from the strain of SARS-CoV-2 isolated by ICMR National Institute of Virology. So the medical body had asked 12 institutes to fasten up their clinical trials of the vaccine to enable the subject enrollments by first week of July. However, later an ICMR official quoted saying that our internal communication is being misinterpreted. We only said that we envisage to have a vaccine by August 15th, and it is not a deadline. We have not said that we will launch the vaccine by then. The process can be expedited, but the vaccine still will have to undergo all clinical safety trials. According to the apex body, it aimed at completing the trials quickly, similar to vaccine candidates in other countries, considering the urgency of the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. And also, when the Bharat Biotech's leader, Dr. Krishna Ella, the founder, told the report today, stating that it is too early to remark on this as we are in the beginning phase of human trials. So only after the safety data is established and upon receiving regulatory approvals, we will be able to decide to move into the course of licensure. So, the claim that Bharat Biotech's COVID 19 Covaxin will be available in the market from 15th August, according to the ICMR, about fast tracking clinical trials of vaccine, which has been circulated in WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook, is proved to be false.